Hi, in this video I will show you how to use the Document Deliveries app. Omega 365 provides an integrated process for managing the exchange of documents between the different parties. And supplier of documents can use this Document Deliveries app to submit their documents and also view the response on documents that have been reviewed. Here I am logged on as a user that will submit some documents. I see on my right hand side the planned deliveries, including a review response code on those that have been reviewed by the client. And I can also download the review comments. Now I want to submit some documents. I can open up my Windows Explorer, find the documents, and just drag and drop them here. And as you can see now, the system automatically identified the document number, the release code, the revision, and the revision date on these documents. That's because the file names follow the naming convention that has been specified. The first part contains the document number, then the revision number, then the release code, and then the revision date. The system will automatically detect that. If it's not including that in the file name, the user have to select it from the list of predefined document numbers here. And can also have the system or generate the document number if this is not a document that is already predefined. You will also see that the system, based on the file extension, will identify if it's a native file, if it's a rendition, typically a PDF file, or an attachment. So as long as the file name includes attachment in the name, it will assume it is an attachment. The user can select else if it's not correct. If I'm happy, then I select all the files that I want to deliver. And these three files all belong to the same document. So in here, it's just considered as one. So I have the document number here, and it will include both the native file, the rendition, and the attachments. So this all looks good, and there's no error message here. It could be that I get an error message when I actually do the delivery. For example, if I try to issue a document for use while the previous revision was issued for review and it was not accepted. But in this case, I will try now to deliver, and then it will go directly into the document register. Note that it is possible to configure the system so that someone on the receiving side need to check the document first before it goes into the main document register and is distributed either manually or automatically. If there is somebody doing the checking on the receiving side, you will be able to see any rejected deliveries here. You will also receive a notification if so. You can see all the previous deliveries here. If you have a file that you want to deliver but it's not following the naming convention, it's also possible. So I just drag and drop the file here. And in this case, I can choose if this is a document that has already been defined. I can select among the predefined document numbers. So it could be something that has been planned to be delivered. Then I will find that document here and I just select it. In this case, I want to proceed and I want to have this document number also generated by the system. As you can see here now, it's marked as red, and I can click here to fill in the information about this document. I first need to select then the document type. The originator code is default selected, and I fill in the release code. It's issued for information, the revision, and the revision date. And here, as you can see, it's also marking that I need to fill in the discipline code. And then you can see that the system is automatically generating the document number. And then I click close. And as you can see, it's now ready for me to deliver this document. It's also possible to create a new plan document by going here, new plan document. Then I fill in the information about the document. Document type, the discipline code, And I can also fill in additional information. Typically on a plan document you might want to say something when it's planned to be delivered for review, when it's planned to be issued for use or construction, and then next. Then that document profile is registered in the system, so you can deliver according to that. So if I refresh this page, it will now appear on the plan deliveries list. Thank you for watching this video about how to use the document deliveries app.